Hey guys, just introducing you a new website where you can earn 10,000 to 30,000 TRX every day by just doing a simple task. So all you need to do now is just to stay with me in this video and watch me step by step. Let me show you the simple things you need to do in this site and start making money for yourself in daily basis. So guys, once you click on the link in the description of this video, you are going to see this page where to put your email address, put your phone number, and then create a password and get registered in this platform. So since I already have an account, I'm going to log into my own account now to show you how I make withdrawals every day in this platform. So I'll give my username and here's my password and this is captcha. Then I'm going to log in now. So login successful. So and once you get registered in this platform, you are going to see this latest announcement here. And if you read more about this announcement, you are going to see that once you register in this platform, you are going to enter 6,000 TRX for free. So guys, this is awesome.
If you read further about this platform, you see that in VIP1 you need 10 to 3,000 TRX and you'll be earning 9% return in VIP1. And if you scroll down and see VIP2, you need 10,000 to 30,000 TRX to be earning 13% return every day. So once you're done, just click on close and scroll down. You're going to see about this platform. So if you read about this platform, you're going to see this. This is a cloud mining platform issued by TRONWWE. So in cloud mining is one of the ways to obtain TRX. It does not rely on issuance of specific currency institution. It is generated through a large number of calculations of specific algorithm and uses a distributed database composed of many nodes in entire P2P network to confirm and record all transactions. So the centralized nature of P2P and the algorithm itself can ensure that the currency value cannot be artificially manipulated by bias production of TRX. So the highest VIP level of Tron cloud mining machine, the stronger the computing power. So with a maximum daily of 88% profit. So guys, this means that the higher the level, the higher the amount of money you'll be earning in this place. And as you can see here, that this is my basic account. I have $4,700, which is 36,000 TRX. So if you scroll down, you are going to see the different levels of earnings in this platform. So you see that in level 1, you need 10 to 3,000 TRX to join level 1 and you'll be earning 9% of your money every day for complete 180 days. So you can withdraw this every day. So if you scroll down in VIP 4, you need 30,000 to 70,000 TRX and be earning 15% of your money every day for complete 180 days. So if you scroll down, you see that the higher the level, the higher the amount of money you'll be earning in each of the levels. So this ranges from 1 to VIP 10. So you can join any of them. So in this platform, you can also buy any cryptocurrency asset and make money for yourself. And if you come down, you see that there are different people earning from this platform. These are people's withdrawal. These are put daily withdrawals. You see this person withdrawing 11,000 TRX, 14,000 TRX, 4,000 TRX, so and many more. So you can join this man, start making this money. So if you look at these people now, they have big partners. So big companies partners with these people like Binance, Mexi, FTX, and many of them has partnered with these people to show you that this is a legit company that you can just rush in and start making investments to make money for yourself daily. So guys, if you come to this place, you are going to see that you have home, top up, withdraw, share, team, download, and the rest of them. So and that way you can also make money from this place is by sharing this place, coming to this share. So you see that when you share your referral link, you are going to earn 13% deposit bonus from your referral, from every of your friends deposit in this platform. So in the second level referral, you'll be earning 2% commission, and the third level referral will be earning 1% commission. So this is the best way to make money from this platform, by referring your friends to earn 13% commission. Just come straight here and copy your referral link and share it to your friends, share it to as many friends as you can to make money for yourself in daily basis. So what I'm going to do now is to join VIP1. So if I want to join VIP1, just click on join. So come here, and if you come to this place, I'm going to click on go to, so transfer to wallet account. So I'm going to click on this one. I want to transfer 20 TRX to this my wallet. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to use TRX. So there are different ways you can recharge your wallet, but I'm going to use TRX to recharge my wallet. So this is my wallet address. I'm going to copy this wallet address here now and transfer 20 TRX to this wallet address. So I'll click on copy, so confirm copy. So where I'm going to now is to go to my exchange to recharge my wallet. So what I want to do here is to buy TRX. So I'm going to click on buy here. So I'm going to put the amount of TRX I want to buy. So I want to buy 20 TRX. So I'll put 20 TRX here. So this is going to cost me like 2 point something dollars. So I want to buy 20 TRX here. I'll put 20 TRX here. So this is what I want to buy. Then I'm going to click on buy TRX. So since I already buy TRX, I'm going to transfer it to my
Tron address. So I'll click on withdraw, on chain withdrawal. Then this is TRX. I'm going to paste the wallet address in this place. So this is the wallet address I'm transferring to, and then this place is where I'm going to put the amount I want to transfer. So I'm going to transfer everything. So this is 19.97, and then I'm going to click on withdraw, then confirm withdrawal.
Withdrawal processing. So I'm going to wait for me to be credited.
Hey guys, you can see I've been credited. So I transferred 19.97 TRX, and they have charged me 0 points, that is 1 TRX. So you can see, hello, we are a charge of 18.47 TRX have been credited. Please check it. So I'm going to click on confirm, click on this place to check my wallet. So I'll come to my mine here. So you see my basic balance, and you see my 18.47 TRX in this place. So once you credit your wallet here, so since I already have 18 TRX in my wallet, it's not up to 20 TRX. I'm going to invest in any of these VIP here. So I'm going to invest in this one, then click on invest now. See, submit successful. So confirm. So if you come back to me here, you see I have 8.47 TRX. So I've used some 10 TRX to invest in one of the levels. So you see current yield rate is 9%. So earning start 24 hours after joining investment. So I will click on this place. So after 24 hours of joining this investment level, so I'll start earning 9% from my investment. So anytime you want to withdraw, you can just come straight to withdraw. So when you come to withdraw here, you see your withdraw daily withdrawal times is just one time, and here is traded already. I've traded with 10 TRX. So here is the withdrawal amount. We are going to put it allowed withdrawal for now. So I can't withdraw for now. I'm going to wait for 24 hours, then I'll start withdrawing. So guys, after joining, you can just wait for 24 hours to start withdrawing from this platform. So after joining the investment level, you can see after 24 hours you can start receiving 9% of your investment. So the best way to make money from this platform is by sharing your referral link. So invite as many friends as you can to make 13% referral bonus in this platform. So guys, you can just click on the link in the video and start making money for yourself. But guys, don't forget to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.